Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. And today we're going to take a look at the Drain Soon Metal Hair Drain Clog Remover. Now this is a great little system if you're a DIYer. Even if you're a pro plumber, this works really well. When I ordered these, I expected these to be throwaway, one-time use, and you get rid of them. Now actually they are very nice units. They have a plastic coating like plastic cable. They have a clamped in with a hand hold so that you can't lose this thing and let it go down a drain unexpectedly. The ends have metal on it, so they tend to grab a hold of hair and things and pull them out. You can see I used this one already. But you can clean it up and you can keep these. You're going to get a kit of several of them, roll them up and keep them in your toolbox or keep them where you need them. Now, you can clean a drain by undoing your trap, pull the trap down and clean it out. Okay guys, when it comes to a sink like this, you're going to remove the little piece underneath the sink. It just twists off, so that I can get this out, and this should pull right up. And you can see how dirty that is actually deep inside. Set it aside, and now we're going to try the snake and see if there's anything in here that it can clean out. And pull it up. I can see a lot of junk, but I can feel it pushing down in there. So you can use this to break loose, or if it's a total clog and it's hair, it'll grab the hair and pull it out. This particular unit, this does not have any hair in it. You can also undo the little riser at the bottom that holds your little stopper up, pull that out, and then clean down in there really quickly with one of these. And a lot of times if it's just hair, it'll pull that out. And even in the example I'm showing you in this video, it had a lot of black sludge, and it will actually clear that black sludge out. You will have to go over it multiple times to get that clean, pour some hot water down it, and you're good to go. Overall, guys, for a DIYer, for a really quick fix, this is awesome. And don't forget, you can use this also on your shower drains. You can use it on sink drains. You can use it in a laundry sink drain. You can use it anywhere that you have a drain with a trap. This will work. Do yourself a favor, pick yourself up a set of these today. I don't think you'll regret it. And we will see you guys on the next review.